This is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing online portal in India. First, let us look at the global cues. The global cues, you know what to say, the jitterness is still there. Stability, I don't think that the stability can come at least for another 1 or 2 months until this US inflation settles down. And there is an indication that, your Fed may go for a very, very small hike of 0.25% like that. Yesterday, when we closed, Dow future was plus 200, but when US market closed, it was minus 200. So that's again 400 point, but it's not a big movement, but still from intraday high to intraday low, Dow moves nearly about 650, 700 points. So main reason is the Apple warning. So the Apple is going slow in their hiring process, and because they are expecting less demand for its products. So Apple is an index heavyweight in all three indices, S&P, Nasdaq, and so that was the main reason. Today morning, IBM is down 4% after its results. The results were good, but their guidance may be not really very good. And Asian markets are mixed, but Asian markets are recovering from their lows. So coming back to SGX Nifty, very, very difficult thing. Yesterday, it was more than 150 point gap up, and today equally gap down. And SGX Nifty indicating nearly 150 point gap down. So one day 150 point gap up, next day 150 point gap down. This is going to be difficult. So this brings back to the question, so what happened yesterday? Was it a short covering rally? But if it is short covering rally, few data points. Number one, FIIs in F&O still holding 82% short positions. So they have not covered their short position. In fact, they keep on increasing. And this is the first month in my life I'm seeing FIIs are holding short position above 80% consistently throughout the series. And they are bearish even when the market 15,800. They are bearish even when market is at 16,300. So anyway, we cannot say, but the next week is going to be very, very jittery for many reasons. And coming to corporate results is very, very important this weekend because Reliance on Friday, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank on Saturday, Infosys on Sunday. So next Monday is going to be a big game, either upside or downside. And also the US Fed meeting. So that will also be coming into the picture. So until then, the markets, I thought maybe the jitterness will come only next week. So this week, maybe market may trade very firmly or without much volatility. But yesterday, the volatility was there even on the higher side. Yesterday, nobody expected Nifty future to cross 16,300. Just remember 1 or 2 days before, SGX Nifty low was 15,800. So 15,800 to 16,300, 500 point in a matter of 2 to 3 days. So that is just too big, I can say. So now most of the stocks have rallied already. And if you look at Kotak Bank, it has rallied nearly 200 rupees in the last 2 weeks. ICICI Bank has rallied nearly 80, 90 rupees. So there was a significant rally in most of the stocks. And now, if at all market has to go higher, so the support has to come from HDFC Twins and Reliance. So what Reliance has fallen just in one day, when there was a news of windfall tax from 2,600 to 2,400, even half of that loss was also not recovered. So, but at least there is some life in Reliance Industries share price, but very, very pathetic is the HDFC Twins. HDFC as a whole group has been underperforming the market for the last 2 years. And so that is likely to continue. So One thing, though SGX Nifty indicating 150 point gap down, as I always say, I'm not a big fan of gap up or gap down. So there will be one attempt to um, find some rally if the market gap down, because the like short sellers may like to book the profits. So that can bring the market higher. But I'm hoping Nifty to close above 16,200. So for the main reason is that 16,200 added huge open interest yesterday, but today opening itself is well below that. But anyway, the 16,200 people would have sold at a significant premium. So I remember even I sold for about 90 rupees or something. So up to 16,100 should be of no problem. So looking at the open interest, 16,200 should be the support, but market is opening below that. So there may be some recovery along the way. I don't think that SGX Nifty is a good indication for the last few days in our market. So crude is slightly higher. Rupee is trading around 80, and both FIIs and DAs are buyers in cash market. So that may cushion the downfall. But last 1 hour yesterday, I observed something very strange. Nifty future kept on moving higher by about 50 to 60 points. And the call premiums in December options kept on moving higher. But the put option premium did not come down even by 1 rupee. So that shows that what has happened in the last half an hour, 1 hour is just a final leg of the short covering. So anyway, like that 50 to 60 point has to come down, but SGX Nifty indicating about like 120, 130 point gap down. So anyway, when the market opens, so that can also be recovered. And like markets are going to be, seesaw. And the last 1 week, the swing high was 16,300 to 275 to 80 like that, and approximately 16,300. Swing low is 15,800. So now time to become bullish if 16,300 is crossed, and time to become bearish only if the 15,800 is broken on the downside. So until then, we can expect some consolidation, and we can expect some stock specific movements, like Hindustan Unilever result is keenly watched today. And as I said, many more index heavyweights will be coming over the weekend. So for the next few days, it's going to be stock specific movement only. So yesterday, surprisingly, IT stocks and metal stocks have done extremely well. So let us hope that TCS don't fall again 70 rupees, 80 rupees in one trading session. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.